This is the first time, Eric and Ben, we are hearing from Karen Read. She spoke outside the courthouse this morning. She is maintaining her innocence and, like her attorneys, pointing to a cover-up.
Said it feels we're the only ones fighting for the truth of what happened to John O'Keefe.
In her own words, Karen Read pushing back against allegations that she killed her boyfriend, Boston police officer John O'Keefe.
And me and my family and my attorneys and my team have marshaled every resource to get to the truth. It just feels like no one else wants it.
Prosecutors allege Read backed into the victim with her SUV after arriving at a Canton home for a party in January of last year. The home was owned at the time by another Boston police officer. Read returned the following morning with two others. The victim found in a blizzard.
I tried to save his life. I tried to save his life at 6 in the morning. I was covered in his blood. I was the only one trying to save his life.
The defense claims there is a cover-up and argues the victim was beaten inside the home and bitten by a dog. Today, Read's attorneys pushed for access to cell phone records of the Canton homeowner, as well as his sister-in-law, who is also one of the witnesses with Read the morning the victim was found.
What are they afraid of? They seem to be desperately fearful that we're actually going to get to the truth of what actually happened.
The prosecutor told the court there's no evidence of a conspiracy and disputes what the defense claims they have uncovered.
It shows you one thing, but neglects to put it in the context of the rest of the facts, neglects to put it in the context of the remainder of the evidence.
Now, the judge denied the defense's request for an evidentiary hearing, and the judge is taking under advisement the question of whether there should be access to those cell phone records and data of the witness and the homeowner. Live at the Dedham Courthouse, Sarah Khan, GW, CVB News Center 5.